Kelly, that's bubble gum. That's for older kids. Here, I'll get you some more candy. Hold on.
No, that's stuff to buy.
Kelly, that's bubble gum. Callie. No, that's for mommy. Here, you can have this.
That's not for Mom.
That's a piece of gum, honey.
That's a piece of... No, that's away from me. That's
Sure.
gum with me.
She's never chewed gum.
Well, it's first time for everything.
Choke. Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna do gum. Okay, Mom. Okay, Mommy. I just chewed gum.
Okay. Don't swallow it. Is the gum good?